Got these online from eBay. No, sorry, from the internet. Straight from Italy. A lot cheaper than buying them locally, let me tell you. Massively cheaper. Sidi Vertigo. Get a little booklet. Certified motorcycle boots. And got some stickers as well, which I've already taken out. The tricky thing is when you're buying online is to make sure you've got the right size. I went into the local bike shop and measured myself up before I purchased these online. These are the Vertigo Corsa by Sidi. Recommended price around $700. I paid about $350, as I said, straight from Italy. Fantastic boot. So my size is, you got to be careful you pick the right size as well. There's all sorts of sizes you get with them. Have a look online, you can see what the conversions are. I'm about a size 9 adult, and what do we got here? Size European 44, US 10, UK 9.5, Japan 27.5. Full of protection, just quality, full of adjustments, really comfortable. Let's slip. So as you can see, these boots have got tons of adjustability, tons of protection. Really comfortable boot to have. Carbon fibre inserts there. The sliders are replaceable should you happen to wear them out. Got air vents in them. These are terrific. You can actually adjust these air vents, and believe you me, it does actually send a cool breeze of air through your foot, which is a welcome relief to a lot of boots out there on the market. No worries, I hope you found this informative. And as I said before, look, if you're looking at buying a pair of these, I highly recommend them. They're a terrific boot. Tons of protection. They look great and they feel terrific as well. So, let's make a pair of these boots I'm showing. You can either have it wound right back, which makes it a bit easier to put on. So you slip the boot in like that. This clip here temporarily goes around the front. These have actual wind-ups on them. You push that in to unwind it. Just do the zipper up. You can see there. So that little hook goes around the clip there, like so. I'll undo it a bit more. Like that. And once it's on there, you give that a tighten to get it nice and tight. You push that button there in, and it actually loosens it off, like so. Don't have it too tight. Once you've got it at the desired tightness, you push that clip in, and that's the same with the back. You can see it tighten the back up, so that's all beautifully well held together like that. I always lean forward a bit, push the clip down. Great flexibility in the boot, really good feel, comfortable walking. Highly recommended boot. So there you go, that's the Sidi Vertigo. If you're thinking about buying a pair of these boots, go for it. Fantastic. No worries. Thanks for looking, guys.